DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries the genetic information of all living organisms. Here are some subtopics related to DNA structure and function. DNA structure. The structure of DNA is a double helix, with two strands of nucleotides that run in opposite directions and are held together by hydrogen bonds between complementary base pairs. Nucleotides. Nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, composed of a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. Base pairing. The four nitrogenous bases in DNA are adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. They pair up in a specific way, AT and CG, to form the rungs of the DNA ladder. DNA replication. The process of copying DNA to create two identical copies is called DNA replication. It occurs during cell division and is essential for the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next. DNA transcription. DNA transcription is the process of converting DNA into RNA, ribonucleic acid, by synthesizing a complementary RNA strand. Protein synthesis. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and their synthesis is an essential function of DNA. DNA is transcribed into RNA, which is then translated into proteins. Genetic code. The genetic code is the set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material is translated into proteins. It is determined by the sequence of nucleotides in DNA. DNA repair. DNA is susceptible to damage from various sources, including radiation, chemicals, and replication errors. Cells have multiple mechanisms for repairing damaged DNA to maintain the integrity of the genetic information. Mutations. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that can be caused by errors during replication or by external factors such as radiation or chemicals. Some mutations can have no effect, while others can lead to genetic diseases or disorders.